Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar City branch. Today I am going to introduce your 13th chapter, Fun with Magnets. So before studying this chapter, introducing this chapter, we should know about magnet. What is magnet? Magnet is a material which attract magnetic materials towards itself. As when any iron, nickel and cobalt made materials come near to any magnet, it is attracted by magnet. So these materials are called as magnetic material, and the material which attract these materials are called as magnet. So magnet is a very useful material in our daily life, in our home, in offices, shops, malls, everywhere there are so many gadgets, equipments are activated by using, are constructed by using magnet. In our home, when we shut the door of our refrigerator, it a stick and there is magnet used, and in purse, also in ATM card, and so many places, so many equipments, magnets are used. So magnets have attractive property towards any magnetic material. So now question is raised, how was magnet discovered? Means now I will discuss about discovery of magnet. So there is a story behind it, that in ancient time there was a shepherd named Magnus who lived in a place called Magnesia in northern Greece about 4000 years ago. Once he was herding his sheep and goats in the nearby mountains. The nails in his shoes and the metal tip of his stick got stuck to the large black rock on which he was standing. He had to pull hard to free his stick from the rock, but it was released. His shoes and a stick was released, but after applying some more effort and force. So what was the reason behind it that his shoes and a stick in which iron nail was used stuck on that large stone? That large stone was cause for the attraction of these shoes nails and sticks. Then these rocks are invented as natural magnet. due to attraction of this natural magnet, shoes and a stick was stuck in this natural magnet. So that rock was named magnetite, perhaps after either Magnesia or Magnesius himself, because they live in Magnesia, so that material named as magnetite. If a long piece of a stone was suspended freely, it can rest into the north-south direction. This property was useful in finding out the direction. It was therefore later named as lodestone. So first of all, that rock was named as magnetite because this rock was discovered in Magnesia. But laterly, if any bar magnetite material is suspended freely in air, it gets situated in north-south direction. Means north pole is in north direction and south pole is in south direction. So it was, and it can be also used to find direction. So for this property, by which direction can be found by using magnet, first this natural magnet was named as lodestone. Lodestone means lead to, lodestone means this stone lead to way, lead to find way. So for the directional property of magnet, earlier time magnet, natural magnet was named as lodestone, and this natural magnet was called as known as lodestone. So this is the story behind discovery of magnet. So at the present time we have different types of magnet, and if we classify magnet in categories, then according to existence of magnet we can classify magnets in two groups: natural magnet and artificial or man-made magnets. Means lodestone or magnetite was natural magnet that is found naturally in nature, but after the invention of this natural magnet, man has also invented so many techniques for the manufacturing magnet, and this magnet was called as man-made or artificial magnet. So this is a story for behind discovery of magnet and some basic introduction of magnet. In my next lecture, I will discuss further about magnet, its property and different features. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.